Could an elephant actually say sorry after an accidental bump? Get ready to be amazed. Imagine two massive friends playfully interacting when one accidentally nudges the other a bit too hard. A brief, stunned silence follows. But then, the larger elephant, with incredible awareness, gently nudged its friend with its trunk, giving a soft, rumbling sigh. It was an unmistakable, non-verbal apology. Immediately, the tension vanished. Their bond, which could have been strained, was instantly repaired and even grew stronger. This amazing moment shows us that acknowledging mistakes and offering an apology, even without words, is a powerful way to build and maintain any friendship. What do you think of this incredible display of empathy? Share your thoughts below.